Conversation 1.
Do you watch much TV?
Not anymore. I used to watch a lot of TV, but not now. And you?
Yeah, I watch a lot of TV.
What do you watch?
I watch a lot of dramas and some news shows.
I don't watch the news much, but maybe I should.
Conversation 2.
Do you exercise much?
Not that much, but some.
What do you do?
I go running a lot. What about you?
I don't exercise at all.
Oh, that's too bad. It can be fun.
Conversation 3.
Do you eat much fast food?
Yeah, I eat it way too much.
Oh, that's not good. You should not eat it too much.
I know, but I do it to save time. Plus, I don't cook much.
Me too. But I try to eat a lot of fruits and vegetables.
Good idea.
Conversation 4.
Do you speak Spanish much?
Yeah, I speak it a lot at work.
That must be nice.
What about you?
Not that much. People do not use it much at my work.
That's too bad.